wig sent to me from Asteria Hair. Here is the packaging. Now the wig did also come into a box, but in here is where they place like the goodies and things like that, I guess I would say. And also you get a satin bag to place your wig. And it also has Asteria Hair on the front. My lights are bright, but sorry. So in here, basically all I have are some silk scarves, I guess I would say. And I'm pretty sure that this here is a baby hair wrap, which I didn't use today. I don't really use these a lot, you guys, like at all. Like I don't use them at all. I also got some satin scarves. Companies tend to send these a lot these days, which is crazy. I'm gonna open up one of them. Probably none of this is gonna match with what I have on. I just have on like a simple sweater. But I'm just gonna open up one so we could see like the size of it. And I also feel like this isn't gonna go with my hairstyle today. So I'm just gonna open those. I just wanna see how big it is. What kind of scarf it is. Oh, okay, so this is one of those baby hair looking wraps as well. So I guess all of them are like this. So I guess you would place it on your head like this. See, I just would not wear this. And this is not gonna work because I have a side part today. Or you could use it as like a head. Oh, you could do it like this. I guess I would say. Oh, I'm like a pirate. I would want this in the bag though. Put this in the bag. Oh, I look like a fool. Oh, this is too much. This is okay. Y'all get the point. Okay, y'all get the point. This will actually look really cute on me if I didn't have my hair in the side part. But I don't have time to fit this and do all that because this just wasn't a part of the style. Period. But y'all get it. Like, y'all get it. This doesn't work in the side part for me. So today, Asteria Hair sent me over their WaterWave textured wig. So additional specs on this wig is that it is a 250% density. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit, and you're also getting the whole frontal in the front. You're not just getting like 1 inch parting space on the side, which is why I can do a deep side part, as you guys can see, for this wig unit, and it's not giving a little bit of parting space. I actually have a decent amount of parting space. Now I wouldn't say 4 inches, I'll probably say like 3, but it is pretty decent, you guys. Also, this is a very long wig unit, you guys. This is 32 inches. And if I did not say, it is also in 250% density. Now I feel like the frontal is giving off the texture, and I just feel like the hair a little bit is giving off more on the frizzier side. Like I feel like the hair actually on the wig, not the frontal, the bundles on the wig unit is actually a little bit more of on the WaterWave side, and I feel like the frontal is on the curlier side, like it has more of a wave. And I also feel like this is a little bit more frizzier, and I've already like tried to define it and, you know, put mousse on it as well. So I feel like if you aren't into like the frizzier look, then this wig wouldn't be for you, because I have used water and mousse to define the curls for this, but I still feel like it gives off a little bit of frizzy. Some people love this look or whatever, but I feel like maybe when it's too long, it gives off a little too much. So I feel like if you're gonna get this wig unit, maybe try to go up to like 28 inches or so for the wig unit if you don't like the frizz. But I did definitely you know, try to define it and also use curling mousse, and this is what I got for the hair. So as you guys can see, the curl pattern at the top versus the curl pattern at the bottom. Try to back up so that you guys could really see it on me. But anyways, this is what I came up with. I wanted to do a deep side part for the look, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I got this installed with only using the Got2b Insta Holding Spray. That's pretty much what I've been using these days. I haven't been using the yellow can as much. If you guys want to use or buy any of the products that I use in this hair video, make sure to check out my Amazon store. I have everything that I use pretty much in my Amazon store, you guys. So yeah, let's just go ahead and begin. you.